PrimeTween PRO offers everything a free version of PrimeTween can do, but directly from the inspector, without the need to recompile your code or even play the scene in the editor. Let's jump straight to the example and animate this sliding door. We'll start by adding Tween animation component to the parent object. PrimeTween PRO supports an extensive number of animation types. Let's add the first animation for the local X position of the door. Modifying the end value will immediately show the changes in the scene view. Okay, this position looks good. Let's add a second animation for local Z position now. And we're ready to instantly preview the animation without even playing the scene. Looking good so far, but we can make it juicier. Let's add a nice bouncing motion to convey the door's weight, and a small delay between two motions. Let's also make the animation reversible by enabling the is reversible setting, so the door can seamlessly change its direction. This feels much better now. PrimeTween PRO makes it extremely easy to decouple animations from game logic. You can simply add animations to C# scripts by declaring serializable tween animation fields and letting artists tweak the animations with full creative freedom from the inspector. Start animating like a pro right now.